Hello everybody and welcome to another session of Maths with Mr. Luke. Are you sitting beautifully? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, eyes on me. 1, 2, eyes on you. Looking, listening, thinking and concentrating. I can see that so many of you are sat beautifully, so I shall begin. Today we recap. Recap means we're going to look at again. Today we recap length and height. Length and height. And these are two words that we've looked at all week. Length and height. Length and height. Can you say those with me? Length, your turn, and height. Your turn, length and height. And today I want you to put on your thinking caps. Put on your thinking caps because you need to try and remember everything that you have learnt about length and height. Up here, I've got a question. What is length? What is length? Do you remember what is length? Well, we said that length is how long something is, how long something is, or how short something is. We said that length is how long something is or how short something is. So first of all, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 snakes. 4 snakes. Have a look at the snakes. Which snake is a long snake? Which snake is a long snake? Let's have a look. Where is the long snake? That's right, it's this one here. Long. This snake is a very long snake. If that is the long snake, where is the short snake? Where is the short snake? The short snake is here. Or short. We have our long snake and our short snake. Now, where is our longest snake? Where is our longest snake? Well, this one is the longest, and that means where is our shortest? Our shortest snake is here. So we've got our longest and our shortest snake, and the others are in between. They're not very long, they're not very short, they are in between, they are in the middle. So now we know that length is how long something is or how short something is, and we can talk about longest and we can also talk about shortest. We have also looked at ordering length. Say that with me, ordering length. And that is when we take something from the shortest to the longest. We take it and put it in order from the shortest to the longest, in order from the shortest to the longest. Now here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pencils, and I want you to order them from the shortest to the longest, from the shortest to the longest. Have a look. Which pencil is the shortest pencil? Let me have a look. Oh, I think this green one looks very short, so I'm going to move that. Down here, we know the green one is the shortest. Now, I need to look for a pencil that's a little bit longer, just a little bit longer than the green one. Which pencil is a little bit longer? I think it is the purple pencil. I think it's the purple pencil, so I'm going to move that one down. And now we've got the shortest, and one that's a little bit longer is the purple. Now, which pencil is a little bit longer than the purple one? Which pencil is a little bit longer than the purple one? Let's have a look. I think it might be the blue pencil. The blue pencil is a little bit longer than the purple pencil. Let's move that one down. See, now we've got our shortest pencil, and they're getting a little bit longer as we go up. They're getting a little bit longer as we go up. Now, which pencil is a little bit longer than the blue pencil? Which pencil is a little bit longer than the blue pencil? Is it the red or the beige? The red or the beige? The red or the beige? And I think it's the beige pencil, so I'm going to move that one down here. We've got our shortest pencil, and each time they get a little bit longer. Each time they get a little bit longer. Which pencil is our longest pencil? Which pencil is our longest pencil? It must be the one we have left over, which is the red pencil. The red pencil is the longest. So what we've done is we've taken all of the pencils and we've put them in order of length. We've put them in order of length from the shortest to the longest. What super maths, everybody. Also this week, we have looked at different ways of measuring length. We have looked at different ways of measuring length. We talked about how we could measure length using our hands, how we could measure length using our feet, how we could measure length using cubes, how we could measure length using pencils, and even yesterday we looked at ways of measuring length using a ruler. Now let's just recap how we measure. So I've got a big red double-decker bus here, and I want us to measure it, and I want us to use feet. We are going to use feet to measure the length of our bus. So the first thing we need to do is take a foot and put it right at the beginning of the bus. So there's my foot, I put it right at the beginning. And then we have to count how many feet it will take until we get to the end of the bus. And the end of the bus is here. We need to count how many feet it takes until we get to the end of the bus. And that will be how long our bus is in feet. Now let's see if you can join in with me. Let's start at 1 and count on. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 feet. 13 feet. Our bus is 13 feet long, and we said when we do our maths it's very important to check our answer. So let's just recount to make sure we got it right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yes, we did get it right because we were very careful counters. Now, who can tell me, how do we write the number 13? How do we write the number 13? It's a 1 with a 3 makes 13. So our bus is 13 feet long. 13 feet long. Fantastic maths, everybody. Now we've had a go at measuring our bus using feet. Let's recap how we use a ruler to measure length. Let's recap how we use a ruler to measure length. So on this slide, I've got another long bus, but we're not using feet. We are going to use a ruler. So the first thing we need to do is get our ruler. So here is my ruler. And we put our ruler at the beginning of the bus. We put our ruler at the beginning of our bus. And we put a little line at the beginning to show us that is where we start. There's my little line. And then we need to go along our ruler until the bus ends. Let's have a look. We're going along our ruler until the bus ends, and it ends here. So then I get another little line. So we've got our line at the start and a line at the end. Our line at the start and the line at the end. And now we have to count the numbers in between. So count carefully with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. We've got 19. Now who can tell me how to write 19? 19 is a 1 with a 9. But we are measuring length using a ruler. So we were measuring in centimetres. Can you say centimetres? So we have to put a k and a m for centimetres. So our bus is 19 centimetres long. We haven't just looked at length, we've also looked at something different. Now our question up here is, what is height? What is height? What is height? Who can remember what is height? Well, we said height is how tall or short something is. How tall or short something is. So have a look at these dinosaurs. Which dinosaur is very, very tall? I think it's this one here. Here is our tall dinosaur. Where is our short dinosaur? Where is our short dinosaur? Have a look. I think it's this one. This dinosaur is short. Short. So we have our tall dinosaur and our short dinosaur. Where is the tallest? Where is the tallest dinosaur? Well, our tallest dinosaur is over here. And where is our shortest dinosaur? Our shortest dinosaur is here. So we have our shortest dinosaur, our tallest dinosaur, and the other dinosaurs are in between. They're not very tall, they're not very short, they're in between. They are in the middle. And after that, we looked at ordering in height. Ordering height. So I've got, how many giraffes have I got here? 1, 2, 3, 4. And I want to put them in order of height, starting with the shortest. Starting with the shortest and ending with the tallest. So have a look. Which is the shortest giraffe? The shortest giraffe is this one. So I'm going to move him down. Now I'm going to look for a giraffe that's just a little bit taller. Just a little bit taller. Which giraffe is a little bit taller? Oh, I think it's this one here. So I'm going to move him down. So now we've got our shortest and we're going a little bit taller. A little bit taller. Now I want to find a giraffe that's a little bit taller than this one. A little bit taller than this one. Is it this one or this one? This one or this one? It's this one. So I'm going to move him down. We've got our shortest giraffe. This one's a little bit taller. This one's a little bit taller. So now I'm looking for my tallest giraffe. My tallest giraffe, and it's this one that's left over. So let's move him down. So now you can see we've put the giraffes in order of height, starting with the shortest and going all the way to the tallest. Starting with the shortest and going all the way to the tallest. What super maths, everybody. You've remembered so much from this week. We also looked at how we can measure height using a ruler. We also looked at how we can measure height using a ruler. But this time we get our ruler and we put it the other way up. It's not along, it's going up. But we still put it at the beginning of what we are trying to measure. So we put it at the beginning of our meerkat and we put a little line to show that that's where we start. Then we go up our ruler until we finish, until the meerkat finishes, and it finishes here. So we put another little line there. And then we have to count the numbers in between. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. A 10 is a 1 with a 0. We are measuring using a ruler. So it's 10 centimetres. 10 centimetres. Our meerkat is 10 centimetres tall. 10 centimetres tall. So today's maths challenge. I have given you something a little bit different today. There is no worksheet. There is no worksheet. First of all, I want you to have a look around your house for things that are long. Things that are long. I want you to find more than 4. More than 4 things that are long. And then I want to see if you can order them from shortest to longest. From shortest to longest. Look at all these things this person's found. They put the shortest thing here. And then they put the longest thing here. So find 4 things which are long and put them in order from shortest to longest. Then I want you to do the same, but this time I want you to put things in order of height. From shortest to tallest. From shortest to tallest. So you can see these 3 teddy bears. a short teddy bear, and a tall teddy bear. I want you to find more than 4 things again, more than 4 things, and get your mummies and daddies to take a photograph or a video and send to me. I know you can do this because you are the best. So good luck today with your maths challenge, and I look forward to seeing you later for topic work. Bye!